Hey guys, welcome to one more class. Now we're gonna have grammar practice lesson number 11, Object Pronouns. First, some theory, obviously. Subject and object. I, the object is me. You. He, him. She, her. It. We, us. You. They, them. So, example, she knows me well. True, we give her our homework every day, and they give it to us. Okay, so here you have it, and you have us. Amazing, huh? What else? Now we're gonna have some practice as usual. It's time for fun. Choose the correct object pronoun form. Here we go, guys. I often see after work. I often see them. You guys can say often or you can say often. It's okay. I say often, but you can say often. I often see them after work. True. She lives near. So I'm gonna make that silence so you guys can think. She lives near us. She lives near us. 3. We always go to lunch together with. We always go to lunch together with her. Preposition with object her. Okay, so here you have verb see, object them. 4. He teaches verb. He teaches English. He teaches us English. I teach you English. Cool, huh? He teaches us English. 5. She sits near during the class. She sits near me, next to me, during the class. Great. I know both of well. I know both of them well. I know. I always speak to in English. I always speak to him in English. Great. 8. What is the matter with today? What's wrong? What is the matter with him today? He looks so weird. 9. He explains the lesson to each morning. He explains what? The lesson to whom? To us. When? Each morning. Great, huh? 10. There are some letters here for you and me. Cool. For us. For you and me. For us. Cool, guys. There are some letters here for you and me. 11. We want to divide the money between us. Great. Give me some of that. That's gonna be cool. We want to divide the money between us. 12. The Venezuelan lady knows both well. She knows them both well. That's great, huh? 13. I know her sister and her. Great. I know them. I know her sister and her. I know them. 14. Mr. Johnson often helps Susan and me. Us. Mr. Johnson often helps Susan and me. Us. Me. 15. He sends a lot of presents. He sends whom? Her. A lot of presents. That's great. Very generous man. She seldom speaks to in Spanish. She seldom speaks to us in Spanish. I seldom speak to my students in Spanish because I don't speak Spanish. So sometimes some words, okay, but not exactly. He looks at during the class. He looks at her during the class. He looks at her during the class. 18. She always helps with my clients. She always helps me with my clients. That's great. And 19. He always sits between Amy and me. Us. Amy and me. Us. Because I am included. That's great. 20. He wants to talk with talk with them. Cool. He wants to talk with them. Now guys, I think we have something else.
Object Pronouns ضمائر المفعول. إلا باغي تفهمهم سيدي ركز مزيان. من مفرد لمتكلم المفرد مخاطب. من المفرد الغائب المفرد الغائبة. نعودو. مي مفرد متكلم. يو مفرد مخاطب. هم المفرد الغائب. هير مفرد الغائبة. إت شي حاجة جامدة. أس جمع متكلم. يو الجمع المخاطب. ذم الجمع الغائب. Object Pronouns ضمائر المفعول. سيدي ركز مزيان. ضمائر المفعول كتجي بلاصة 3. متكلم المخاطب وزيد عليها الغائب. ضمائر المفعول كتجي بلاصة 3. متكلم المخاطب وزيد عليها الغائب. من مفرد المتكلم المفرد مخاطب. هم المفرد الغائب. هر المفرد الغائبة. إت شي حاجة جامدة. أص جمع متكلم. يو جمع المخاطب. ذم الجمع الغائب. He talked to me yesterday. He is talking to you today. We help him every day. Zakaria plays with her. We saw the movie and like it. They meet us in the market. I respect all of you. I will call them tomorrow. Talk to me yesterday. He is talking to you today. We help him every day. Zakaria plays with her. We saw the movie and like it. Meet us in the market. I respect all of you. I will call them tomorrow. Thank you.